everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be enjoying the brand new fall sticker book, doing a plan with me for October. So if you can believe it, October is already here, and unbelievably, I'm really late in planning this month, but unbelievably October is almost here. I don't even know where this year has gone. So we're going to pull these pages out and get started. Of course, before we do, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all the fun. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. I'm so thankful and glad to have you here with me today. So it's October, and frankly, I love October. It's my favorite month of the year. Well, that and December. Really, now until the end of the year, I just love everything about it. I'm really excited about all of the fall festivities and all the fun. So let's see. If you don't know already, this fall sticker book was just released. It's an entire sticker book dedicated to fall. Thank you. Happy planner. And I did pick it up with the new release. I attempted several times to show you what I purchased on that new release, but technical difficulties prohibited that video. So this was one of the very important things. It was the only seasonal, as far as summer, spring, winter, and fall. I only bought fall, and it's because it is my favorite season, and pretty much it's the only one I really decorate for aside from Christmas. So that's with my house and everything. So let's go ahead and see. When I do my monthlies, I try not to overcrowd the days too much, but there are days that I will put some things on, like December 31st. It's trick or treat day. And even though I'll probably save Happy Halloween for, oh, there's two of them. Oh, Happy Harvest, never mind. I'll probably save that for actually Halloween day. But let's see, autumn plans. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put that right here. And then, love this. So October 12th is my birthday. And so I'm just going to put that there just so I remember, you know, because I frequently forget. And then what I love for seasons like this, I love some of these longer skinny stickers that you can just kind of like place ever so many spots, kind of just to decorate it up a little bit, but without necessarily overpowering it. And that's kind of how I feel about putting some of those. It just colors it up, but you don't necessarily have to like, just adds colors in between. There's still plenty of room to write. You're not overwhelming it. It's just super cute, and it just adds some flair to it. And then what I'm going to do is down here where they have, or up here, I don't even know. I looked at this a little bit, not a lot, but I did look through it a little bit. Let's see. This is a cute little spooky house. I'm just going to put that there because it's cute next to the trick-or-treating. But they have some nice little like leaves. Here we go. There we go. So I'm going to take a couple of these and kind of do a little on the first. I don't have anything too crazy to plan monthly, so I'm going to kind of do a little like harvesty look to it with some green and bronze, bronzish rose gold leaves, kind of more of a bronze, but yeah. Just kind of tuck that underneath, and there's plenty of room to write, but yet still plenty of room to plan. That's perfect. And one thing I try to focus on when I'm doing a monthly plan with me is dates that I know I have something important that I do not want to forget. I try to put like a box sticker that's just, I saw one. Yeah, like these little boxes. They have some on the monthlies, they have some on the weeklies. I think there's some more monthlies in here that are like that, but just kind of remember like, hey, this is important. Let's not forget this particular day for XYZ. Oh gosh, that's crooked. XYZ reason. You know, we want to make sure to keep that. Ah. All right, there we go. Yeah, I want to keep that separate and just really like recognize the dates that I know things will happen that are, like I said, I don't want to forget, that are really important, and kind of just highlight them, because there's things in there that would be really bad if I forgot. So let's remember those things. And then I love fall most of all. This is so true. I really do. I love everything about it, except it's 4 million degrees in Virginia. And I'm really hoping that that changes soon. But for those of you who actually already started to have the fall temperatures, I'm jealous and envious, and I miss it. I'm sad that it's not here already. And I do tend to cry because it's not fall yet, but fall temperature. Achoo! Oh, sorry. Bless me. I'm sneezing. Family time. Friendsgiving. Give thanks. This sticker book has got to be one of the cutest sticker books I've ever seen. I don't think you can go wrong with all the fall love. Oh, look at this little pumpkin. It's a cute little pumpkin. And I just love fall. There's not enough things I can say about it that I love. I just love fall. Again, one thing I love to focus on is if I know that I have a specific task or something that's super important, I want to remember to highlight that. I do not want to forget it if it's something that I need to remember, and I absolutely do not want to forget. But is that the 7th? That is the 7th. Oh my gosh. But also, these are, what's up with me in the crooked today? It's a great way to also add color and not take away from the functionality of it. So that's what I love about these kinds of stickers, because you can be super functional and super decorative all at the same time. All right, I love these little half cut off stickers because you can use them so functionally. Enough! My doggies. Don't mind them. They're just saying hello. Saying hello to the world around them. Barking at someone's here, so they're just barking at that. Actually, it's really hello fall should be up. I'm going to put that up at the top. There we go. And as much as I would love to continue decorating, I'm going to kind of decorate as I go. So this will be a great start to the month of October, and the rest I will add as I go along. And what's really important, and I don't want to forget, obviously this is a great start. I did not specifically chart out colors or do anything. I just went through the book and pulled ones I love, and it is a great representation of having fun and enjoying the season and getting ready to start the best time of year, as I like to say. So thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to stay tuned on the next video. We're going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of some Glam Girl items. Cannot wait to see you then. In the meantime, again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great one.